Today I want you to do an activity very, very similar to the one that you did in class last time. I want you to do the circuit builder here again with a new activity. And it's going to be putting light bulbs in series and in parallel. So this circuit here is called series. And let's try it. Hold on. It always works until I'm in the video. Okay. And this circuit here is called parallel. I'm going to spend more time with that later this week, but I want you to have one more day where you play and you see for yourself the differences. Okay, so for this activity, over here I highlighted, though it only kind of shows up. I want you to have some colored markers that you're going to use. You're going to use red for the highest potential and blue for the lowest potential. And remember, when we're talking about potential, your voltage is the electric potential. There we go. And when it talks about your current, you're going to be putting up what are called ammeters, which measure the amperage, and I'll go into more detail on that soon. These are going to be to measure your current. So your voltage is going to drop every time you go past a light bulb. So from here to here, there's what we call a voltage drop, and that's what we're going to be looking at and studying. And then also looking to see how does the electricity flow. I want you to do this interactive before I talk to you in detail, because the details here could be confusing, so I want you to have a little more hands-on experience before I explain in words what's going on, especially since I don't have the best skills in drawing the pictures. So what you're going to do is you're going to build your circuit. In this case, we're going to do our series circuit first. So put in a couple wires, a light bulb, and then they have you using this particular ammeter. You actually do have another ammeter here, but you can't use both of them. Because of the way the circuit diagram is organized, I'm going to say just go ahead and use this one. Okay, so I'm going to get the rest of my pieces in. After every light bulb, I've got an ammeter to measure how much current is flowing. In other words, how many electrons are flowing as we go. And notice right now nothing is happening, but as soon as I close the circuit, we have electricity start to flow. And you can see here a general brightness to your light bulb for this circuit. So when it asks you to find the voltage, what you're going to do is you're going to, oh, actually, sorry, for this one you don't need that. You see this number here, we've got the 9 here and the 6 here. That's going to be the voltage, or the electric potential at that location. So anywhere before our first light bulb, we have a electric potential of 9. So over here on your worksheet, you would put 9 in that location. And then we can see your I, or which represents your current, is 0.3 amperes. And then after that, we have a voltage. We can see everywhere after the light bulb, after the first light bulb, but before the second, we have a voltage of 6. And then you would label your current, your voltage, your current, your voltage, and go around. So I just wanted to do this quick little video to show you how to put your circuit together and what the pieces mean. I pulled up these voltmeters and ammeters, but I am going to say I changed my mind. Let's not have you use those. We'll use those on a later lab as we discuss some things. So you're going to do this once with your series circuit, and once with your parallel circuit. And I am going to, while you're working on this, I'm going to work on doing as good a job as I can to work out a visual for you about some of the concepts we're talking about. If you have any questions, let me know. And I sent you an email about when we're going to do our class conference. It'll mostly be a time just for us to visit and check on each other. You can also ask me any questions you want. I hope you're having a good week, and that I hope you had a good weekend. And I will talk to you all this week. We'll see ya.